The pawn may seem like the simplest piece in chess, but it actually plays a fundamental role in the game. When used well, pawns can decide an entire match. Their movement is very particular. They can only move forward one square per turn. If they are in their initial position, they can move 2 steps forward as long as nothing blocks them. They cannot move backward or jump over other pieces. Additionally, although they advance in a straight line, they capture diagonally by moving 1 square forward and to the side. There are some special moves with pawns. One is the en passant capture, which if you don't know what it is, you can click at the top right to go to the video where we will explain it in detail. As for its value, the pawn is considered the piece with the lowest score, worth 1, but that doesn't mean it is weak. A single pawn can make the difference. They are the foundation of all strategy. In the opening, they serve to control the center and open paths for the other pieces to develop. In the middle game, their position defines the plans. Attack, defend, or prepare breakthroughs. And in the end game, pawns become more important, as any of them can turn into a queen and decide the game. When a pawn reaches the last rank of the board, the player can choose to promote it to a stronger piece: queen, rook, bishop, or knight. That transformation can completely change the outcome of the game, turning a pawn that started as the weakest into the piece that defines victory. Now it's your turn to learn and use the pawn, and the best way you can do that is by joining BlackChess Academy, link in the description.